Hey up everyone, welcome back to Cry of Fear. I'm Jack the Jackster, and well, that last episode was pretty sad and crazy at the same time. You know, finally come across someone that I thought was human and someone that I knew, and then she just jumped to her death. And do you know what? I've been feeling all sad and depressed ever since. You know, it's never the way out. You know, if you're feeling depressed or sad, you know. So we will continue on and beat the fuck out of anyone who gets in my way. Anyway, sorry about that. So now we have a keycard, a generic keycard with the name TL. I'm pretty sure I could have swore there was a door further, you know, in the previous area that was carrying a keycard. I think there was. So let's go. Was this it? No, it wasn't there. It was over. Yeah, I'm playing this game much differently now. You know, after watching her kill herself, it was just not nice at all. Alright, there was a door somewhere. Is it down here? No. Okay. Wait, was this it? I honestly can't remember. Let's just have a look. No, wasn't there. Was it? No, I don't think it was that way. I think it was the other way. I went the wrong way. Well, the sad music has ended at least. I can get back in my game. Back in the game now. Gonna die! I think it was this way. Oh, there we go. TL trading. Oh, right, okay. Alright, let's put your card to good use. Sophie. Now what the hell is going to happen in here then, eh? Where are we? The door won't open. That was a different sentence. The elevator is stuck. Okay. The stairs. What's that? Ooh. Ammo, cool. Alright, some stairs. Ugh. What's next, you know? I mean, what was that thing that had risen up? And it was, what's in there? Something in there? No. So. Oh, there we go. It's pretty quiet. I don't like this peace and quiet. Do you? The door is jammed, okay. Oh, what was that? It is insanely quiet. I don't like it one bit. Ooh. Hup. Oh look, a long corridor. The gun is out. Creepy looking stairs. Ugh. Oh man, I hate this silence. Ugh. What was that? Wait, have we been here? Oh! Oh shit, he's got a gun! What? Oh my god! Oh fuck! Jeez, I didn't know he had a gun. I didn't know they could shoot guns. Oh, alright, that's it. Oh, that's how it is. Yeah. Open, open, open! No. Oh, they've got guns now, have they? Come fucking run straight at me! Oh. Yes, I need that. So, I hope I didn't miss anything. Shall I just go back and check? Let me just go back and check. I feel like I missed something. I don't want to feel like I've missed out on anything like ammo or anything. Let's just have a look around. I mean, I hope I don't regret this. Could this be, let's bring out the nightstick and the phone, okay. Okay, the door's jammed. What's around here? Oh, I thought that was something then. Another door. No. Ah! Motherfucker! What the hell is that? It's got 3 heads! Oh! Die! Oh, you bastard! You bastard got me! Ah! I haven't had a jump scare for a while. Oh, I'm okay. I'm okay. Shake it off. Blah, blah, blah. Oh, I got some rounds for it. Piece of shit. Well, there was a reason why I was meant to go that way. Oh, don't lag on me now, you bastard. Is there anything else? I think that's all there was. Let me just check the other doors. Oh, that bloody hell. Have I been here before? Hang on a minute. Oh! Have I just come through the same door? I'm confused. Tell you what, I'm just not even going to bother. I got some ammo. I got some ammo out of it. It's worth it. Alright, let's go. Let's just go. Jesus, that frightened the big... It had 3 heads. And then when I killed it, he had a gun on it. What the hell? I'm just safe. Alright. I ain't messing about anymore. That music means it's on. It is on. Alright, where are we going next? Oh, oh, oh. He's got a freaking gun on him. You'll never come fight with me, you son of a bitch. Holy shit. Nearly died then. I mean, yeah, I'm getting plenty of ammo, yeah. There's his gun. Oh man, I nearly died then. I better just quickly save. I didn't do very well then. Where is it? Yeah, I'm going to have to use this, I think. And I'll save again just in case. No, I could even save my pistol ammo and just try and use a sniper rifle maybe, or... I'll tell you what, we'll stick with this for now. Jesus. Oh, who's coming? They don't stop, do they? Fucking relentless. Got plenty of ammo now. We're in the middle of the town now. Any more? Oh, Saxon Avenue, that's where we need to go, isn't it? Okay. Just keeping it really good. Let's check that out. Any more enemies? With my eyes peeled. Are we going down the subway? Oh, we're not going down the subway, are we? Let's check the coast is clear. Clear! So I'll just have a quick browse around just in case there's something lying around. Gotta be something. Why is all the buses blocking the road? Stupid buses. I don't think there's anything. I think I've got everything I need. What's this? Ooh, hang on. Unlocked booked page. Oh, okay. Fair enough. Whatever that was. Alright. Let's go. Here we go. Subway. Great. Bloody subways. My favourite place. Can I have a drink? Okay. Check I haven't left anything. Okay, let's go. What's this? I need to place a fuse here in order to lock the door. Unlock the door. I haven't got a fuse. Place a fuse. Where do I get a do we need to get a fuse? What was that? Oh, it's the friggin' escalator. Where do I get a fuse from? Fuse. So I need a fuse. I've not really got anywhere else to go. There's nowhere else to go, is there? What is that noise? Is it a clock? What the f... Sorry, I'm just getting a bit paranoid. So is there a door somewhere? Or do I just need... What's in there? What's over there? Or do I just... Wait, right, I came out of there. Let's check this place out. Let's watch your corners. Ah, there we go. There's an entrance over there. We're going somewhere dark. Look a bit. I'm even... What the fuck was that? I'm even freaked out by my own steps. Aim for the head. Fucking hell, he took a lot of... Right, switch to nightstick unless it's got a gun. Bastard. Alright, I guess that was a sign that I have to go through here, which could be really, really bad. Okay. Go back in some dark area. Go through one door into another. Oh! Oh my god! What? Oh! I did not see him coming. Jeez, you must have to have like a split second to run. Oh, I might save for a bit. Okay. Let's bring these two guys in again. Okay, there we go. Right. I'm gonna do it this time. I'll just save again. Right. Straight down here now, let's just crack on. Nightstick out. Beat this prick. Come get some, you little prick. Come here. Whoa, what? 2 hits? Must have hit him in the head. Right, jeez, that's frightened the big Jesus out of me. I had no idea. Okay. Right. So I'm going to have to run my ass off this time. Ready? Go! Oh! Oh god, he's my boss! Jesus! Is he still chasing me? Ah! Oh man, what? Oh! Jesus, fast. I don't... Oh, bloody hell. Alright, okay. Let's try it again. Right. Let's do this again. This time, come here. Come here. There we go. Right. I don't know what to do. Can I shoot him? I don't know, but we'll try it one more time. And if not, I'll try a different way. He's pretty bloody quick. Alright, let's go. Do it. Run! Run, 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 run! Right, turn right. Go right this time. Run! Oh, it's a dead end! Oh, come on! It's just me. It's not giving me a chance. Give me a bloody chance, will ya? Man. That is scary though with the chainsaw. That! Get away. Right in the head. There you go. I don't really know what to say. I mean, it's oh, there's a sit. I need to start looking down. Right. Let's save here. Right, okay. I mean, I've got enough firepower to turn around and take him on, but I'll just keep trying to run for now. Alright, let's go. Run! Oh man, that is scary. Run, 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 run! Run! Oh, turn right! Left! Oh, he's coming! I can't run away! I can't run any faster! Ah! Oh my god, that is scary! Run! I can't run anymore! Oh, I couldn't run anymore! Oh, it's him from earlier. Oh, yup. I'm not gonna keep dying a lot, am I? Can I fight him or what? I don't know. Oh man. Well, you see, the thing about me is I never give up. Do you know what? Shotgun's coming out. I've had enough of this. Right, okay. I think maybe I can sort of shoot him. I've got plenty of ammo, so let's just do this. Run! Let's go! Come on! Go! Go, 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 go! Go! Oh, I can't run again! Oh, like, get back! Get back! Get the fuck back! Get the... Oh, I got stuck! Can you kill him? I don't know, but he's a lot... That chainsaw boss earlier on in the game was very, very slow compared to this dude. The thing is, I can't get away once I've run out of friggin' stamina. It costs stamina to do that as well. Oh man, this is harder than it looks. Alright, let's do this. Run. Run. Oh no. See, I'm running out of stamina so easily. Oh, he's so terrifying looking. I don't think he can get me as long as I keep backing away. Oh my god, that is fucking scary. Oh, where do I go? Oh. 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 Am I safe? Stop following me. Did we do it? I've no idea. I think we did it. I think we're just supposed to... Oh. I think we did it. Has he gone? What was that? I'm stuck. Oh, I'm stuck. Oh, I'm not stuck in the wall, am I? What? Oh shit! Oh no way! I've just oh, I've got to do this again. Oh, come on! I was just so curious, wasn't I, that I had to go and do that. Oh, for God's sake! Right, let's do this again. Running, 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 run, 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 run. You are freaky. You are freaky. Nothing I could do there. Right, I ain't quitting. I could have just carried on, but I didn't, did I? Because I'm so. There we go. Okay, you can't get me. Okay. Oh, I can't run anymore. Oh man, what do I do? The stamina is just gone. Oh, I had it done and all. God, come on. Gotta do this now. Just run my ass off. And then I get stuck like this. And then there's nothing I can do. Run. Oh, I'm not gonna make it. Oh shit, I didn't make it. Oh shit! Ah! Man, I nearly did it. I nearly did it. It's just stamina. That's all it is. Oh, fuck. I'm sorry about this, folks. I'm really trying. What the hell is going on? Hang on a sec. My controller has gone all weird. Oh, hang on. Something's happened. Oh, there we go. Slight glitch there. It just sort of kept moving on its own. Right. Let's try this again. Run. run my ass off. We'll get to there and then just keep. Really trying here, I'm really trying! Come on! Wait, why does it... Oh no! I'm stuck! Open, shut! Oh, he got in! Oh, that was close! Oh, bloody hell, that is hard. It's harder than it looks, it's just run out of stamina and that is it. Stamina is gone. Still run without using stamina? Oh, I can, actually. If I do that, actually, this might work. Oh. Oh, bollocks, I got stuck! Ah, come on! I would probably guess that people have played this scene and done it first time, but I'm just ridiculously shy. Right. This time. Right, going for it. Close, yes. Oh my god, I did it! Yes! Motherfucker! Eh? Come fucking get some now! Oh. Right, folks, let's get back to business. Sorry about this. Alright, we did it. Jesus. Why can I still hear it? Why can I still... Oh! Am I supposed to still hear it? Son of a bitch. Oh, Jesus. I don't think I'm supposed to hear that chainsaw anymore. I don't know. Let's just keep going. There we go, I think it stopped. Oh boy, okay. Now where are we? Can I go this way? That's not... That's a gate, not a door. Again, nice view. Alright. Let's just keep going, I guess. Just watching me back. You just never know what might come out. Another door. Ooh, that is a long... Nope, no way in there. I keep hearing things. Oh, just watching me back. What is this? Wow, that is a long ass corridor. Which way? I don't like the look down there, so I'm just going to go down here, see what's down here. Got some bit of climbing to do. Which should we go this way? We'll go a bit this way. A bit of climbing to do now. Alright. Nope. 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 There we go. We were supposed to go that way? I've no idea. Either way, let's just go in here. See what the hell is in here. Oh, this is dark. It's a good thing I got my phone, which just seems to have infinite battery life. Oh, it's too quiet. I'm quite nervous. A VP70. Is that like a little Uzi? The door won't budge. Oh shit. Oh, there we go. Ooh, careful, careful, careful. Careful. Ooh, can I do? I don't think I can make that jump. Oh, yes, I did. There we are. Oh, this could be a little bit of a sort of a bonus, perhaps. You know, give yourself a chance to grab some ammo and stuff. Ooh, can I get over there? Ooh, yes, I can. All right. Okay. I'm surprisingly doing well here. Hang on, it's stuck. There we go. Oh, fell. Oh, bugger. There could be something at the end, you know, something really good at the end of this. There's a reward. Oh, fell all the way to the bloody floor. No, I'm not giving up. Let's try this again. Come on. Okay. Let's not try to screw this up this time. Come on. How am I tired from doing this? Okay, through there. Stop having an orgasm, will you? Well, I picked up some rounds for a different kind of weapon. I wonder what it is. Nice. It's like a small machine gun, perhaps. Alright, let's just take a second to recover my stamina, because it's bloody empty. Come on, stamina. Yeah, this has been a crazy episode. Oh, come on, stamina. Alright, let's get over that. Okay. Bit of a jump here. Ooh. Over there, I guess. Oh. Oh, Jesus. Bastard with a gun. Guess that's where we're going. Freaking, where's my gun? Oh, there's a... in there is... oh, that's where I've come out. You son of a bitch. Can I open these doors? Nope. Is that all that was in here? Thank you. Alright, back to nightstick. What's down there? Can I go in there? I didn't think so. Guess this is the way through. Hang on, it's that jump crouch thing. Jump crouch. Alright. Could be a secret, you never know, do you? Could be a secret. But it's not locked. Oh, it is open. It's open! Wow! I hope I didn't miss out by going this way. Ooh. What is this? What's this? Where am I? Is this important? I like this music, but I'm still no idea what... oh, do I get on the bus? Yes. Okay. What's this? More ammo. Being very kind and generous with the ammo. Thank you, guys. Oh, there's nothing else on there. Just checking. There's no... I'm picking up ammo for this weapon, but there's no... I'm not actually picking up the gun for it, so... so what is going on out here? Do I go in there? Oh, nice. I don't think there's anything else here. Let's... what the... oh, jeez. I thought that were a friggin' enemy. Right, okay, let's go. Let's do this. Don't budge. Some dolls here. Don't budge. was that? Oh. Again. Ammo for this gun. Could do with a save point. It's been a while. Oh, wait, Simon's Cafe? Right, I've just come through there, so... Okay, right, that's clear. What is this place? Why am I here? Going on? Door is locked. Right, okay, perhaps I'm looking for a key of some sort. So we're in a cafe now. It's a big cafe, isn't it? Man, there's a lot of area to explore here. Well, it seems quiet so far. Nope. Wait, ooh. Where is this place? Is this a school of some sort? Or is this like a cafeteria? What's this? Oh, screwdriver. Cool. Do I need this for something? I would probably guess so. I was supposed to leave. Okay. I have a screwdriver. Right. It's too quiet. Too quiet, folks. Let's just see what happens there. Oh, do I have to go in there? Oh, I'm glad, because it's dark. No. No. Alright. Oh, door is locked. So I'll try the screwdriver. No. Okay. Nope. I just made myself jump again. Alright. Alright, okay. I have a screwdriver. And none of these doors open. What do I do with the screwdriver then? I picked up a screwdriver from in there. So, Alright, that's that bit done. Let's explore this bit now. No. Alright, okay. Really? I need it. Ah, there we go. Oh! I haven't got a gun! Shit! What is that? Oh, it killed me! Oh, man! When was the last time I saved? Oh, it was the chainsaw chase. Oh, man! Oh, you're joking. Maybe I missed a save point. Alright, well... I'll end it here and I'll pick it up for the next one. Bastard! I thought I had my nightstick out. Oh, anyway. I'll get to the point where I left off and then I'll continue it then. Okay, good. Thanks very much for watching. Hope you'll join me in the next video. I'm Jackster. Take care.